Hi guys, here is an article from Cyber News that says that it analyzed 15 billion passwords, and here are the 10 most common passwords that were being used. These passwords are very easy to be cracked through brute force. Now, what is brute force? Brute force actually consists of a technique wherein attackers submit all the known passwords that they feel could match the phrase that you have used. It's a trial and error method that is used. Look at the most common password list of brute force. And here are some of the passwords that have been analyzed, wherein people include their date of birth, children's name, QWERTY, 1234, and so on. Today, I will show you how to create randomly generated passwords using Google Sheets, which will probably take billions of years to crack using brute force, if not trillions. Hi guys, welcome back to yet another interesting and a useful video that will keep you safe in the online space. So let's get started. To create a random password generator, we'll be using these three commands. So what we'll do is we'll begin with the ranBetween function. What this function does is it throws up a random number between the range that we specify. So once we do that, it will ask you to give the low value and the high value. That is the range from where till where it should throw the random number. So let's say we want to see a random number ranging between 1 and 50. Once we do that, you see over here it shows up a random number that is 22. And then it keeps throwing up random numbers as and when it is refreshed. So this is the function that we'll be using to figure out our random character value. Now let's go to the character function. What does the char function do is it throws up the character value of the Unicode that is specified. So to do that, let's say equal to char and let's give the number as 77. Once we do that, you see it throws up the character alphabet as M. So this is where we are going to generate the first character of our password. So for that, let's start with ranBetween function. And now we need to give the range from where till where we need the numbers to be displayed. So we'll come over here, and since we want the first character to be a special character from this list, we will give the range that is from 34 to 47. That is, we need a character value from here till here. So we will say 34 comma 47 and close parenthesis. Once we do that, you see it throws up a number as 36, and every time it is refreshed, it throws up a random number. But what we need is a character value of this Unicode number, that is 43. So for that, we will need to wrap it with the char function. So let's again go back to the formula. Type char, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, and we press enter. Once we do that, if you see, now it throws up the actual character value of that Unicode number, which is randomly being generated by the ranBetween function. So now this is how we have generated the first character of our randomly generated 14-digit password. Now we will go to the second character of the password. So for that, what we'll do is we'll first copy the same formula again so that we do not need to retype it. Now if you see, here the range was 34 to 47. Here now we need to change the range, and now since this is the second character, the range value has to be between 48 to 57. So we'll update the range over here as 48 to 57. So now you see it is throwing up a numeric value from this range. Now the same way we need to update the range numbers for all the characters that we need to generate. So now when we come to the third one, we will again copy this and we will update the range over here. The range over here will be 58 to 64. So let's come here and update the range. That is 58 to 64. The same way we'll need to update the range for the 4th, 5th, 6th and the 7th position. So let's do that as well. And here, since this is the 4th one, the 4th character ranges from 65 to 90. So we will again come here and say 65 to 90. Here again we will copy the same formula for the 5th position. And for the 5th position, the range is 91 to 96. We will say 91 to 96. The 6th position, again we will need to update the range, and for this the range value will range from 97 to 22. So 97 out here, and it is 122. And finally we come to the 7th position, and the 7th position ranges from 123 to 126. So we will say 123 to 126. So here, as you see now, we have automatically generated random numbers for the first 7 characters of our password. Now what we'll do is we will copy the same formulas and update it from the 8th to the 14th position. So we'll say Control C, Control V. So now we have 14 randomly generating values at any given point of time. So now to make it into a common password, we will use the concatenate function. So let's say equal to concatenate, and then we will need to give the range from where till where we need to concatenate, that is join these values. So we will say D6 to J7 and close parenthesis. There you go. Now we have our a 14 character randomly generating password. So now, since these passwords are generated, let's test them out. So let's consider copy this password that we've generated, and first we will just paste these passwords. Let's copy another password and paste it here as well. And let's copy the third password that has been generated and paste it here. So here are 3 randomly generated passwords that we got from a random password generator that we created in Google Sheets. So now let's test it. So to test this, there are certain websites which actually will be testing the password to see how long is it going to take to crack these passwords using brute force. So one of the website is uic.edu. So let's paste a password, and here you see it says it is a very strong password. Now let's go to another website that says how strong is this password, that is thycotic.com. We come here and we paste, and it says it would take a computer 2 billion years to crack the password. Let's go to the third website This is the website which is maintained by security.org. So let's check our password, and it says 400 million years out here. And let's go to one more website, that is Password Monster, and see how long this website says. It says 34 trillion years to crack this password. So the randomly generated password that we've created through Google Sheets is a secure password, and you can use it to keep yourself safe in the online space. Let's check the second password now. We'll do the same test over here as well. We will paste the password, and again it says it's a very strong password. Let's go to the password strength, another second website. Let's see what does it say over here. It says 18 billion years to crack this password. Let's check this website and see what does it say. How secure is my password.net? Here it says again 4 billion years. And let's come back to Password Monster and see what does it say. Here it says 14 trillion years. So even this password that was randomly generated is a very safe password. And now the last password to be checked. So this is the password. We'll come back over here and see what it says. It says it's a very strong password again. Let's check what is the status out here. And here again it says 18 billion years. Hope this gives us a different result. 4 billion years as well over here. And let's see what does it say over here. Here it says 309 billion years. So this is how we create randomly generated passwords in Google Sheet to keep ourselves safe in the online space. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. The more you like, the more videos I'll make. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So till I come back with a new and an interesting video like this one, it's goodbye for now. Take care, ciao, and stay safe.